Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make heart in Adobe Illustrator CC. Let's start. Go to Toolbar on left side. Go to Ellipse tool. Click and hold on small triangle. You will see the other tools. Select Ellipse. Now just click on Artboard. Enter values in dialog box. Enter width and height 100 px and press OK. You just draw a circle. Select black arrow or simply press V to move the object. Draw rectangle of 100 px by 100 px. Click on circle and press Alt key. You will see arrow change into double arrow white and black. It's mean you are ready to copy the object. Alt and drag the shape to copy. Now select circle by shift and click and press Alt and click to copy to another place. Copy rectangle by Alt and click. Arrange all shapes like this. Make sure center of circles intersect rectangle. Now select all shapes by dragging arrow around objects or press shift and click the objects. Rotate 45 degrees like this. Make sure all shapes are selected. Go to Windows menu. Choose Pathfinder. Select Unite button. This will convert the shapes into one shape. Here is your first heart. Change the size, width, height or both to see the variations. To change the size, simply select the object and drag from any side with shift. Drag inwards or outwards, it will change the size proportionally. Lovely. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.